Well, Nick dropped a hot, molten piece of steel on the cord for this Metabo grinder here, so he's gonna make a video replacing the cord.
All right, back at it again, causing myself more problems by trying to do anything. Totally smashed my cord off on one of my grinders. And it turns out I like having a bunch of grinders around, so gonna fix it. Just another day in the life. I will say I'm getting pretty good at doing this. I think I've smashed this one off only like 5 times this year. It's getting to the point where anytime I see an appliance in the trash that has a long extension cord, I pick it up because it's free. And I'm pretty good at smashing these things off, so they're generally pretty easy to fix, so actually, this one's not so bad. Yep. Size smaller. But the most important thing to do is just remember where the colors went, you know? What can go wrong? All right. Kind of strip this back about the same. Already didn't do enough of that. Give it a little bit of extra because inevitably I'll need it. Give them a little twist. I'm not gonna tin them it. Clearly, I don't remember if I actually replaced this one or not. I must not have. That's way too nice for me to do. Oh, come on. There you go. Yeah, see it. See, they come nice. They are nice grinders when they're not broken. All right, poke these things back through. Try not to mess them up too bad. Make sure we got some length here. Oop. Also remembering not to flip-flop these. And really, at this point, it's kind of just a game of put it back together the way it was. Except this part. Don't forget to put this saver back on, because that will ruin a cord pretty quick without it. Usually I get like way further through fixing something before I remember to put that on. Look at that. All right. And all these do is kind of tuck under. Little twist, kind of fits it a little bit better. Leave it a little long. Make sure they're semi-close. This is pretty surprisingly hard to fix stuff and talk. I'm not very good at that. All right. Tighten this side up. Gravy train. Try and leave everything a little bit of slack. Put this cable restraint back on. Cool. Put this little safety shield back on. All right, let's see if we can't finagle this back together. Oh, come on, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Big time. Nice, look at that. Let's see, one more screw and maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll be done. All right, now that I got this extremely short cord, let's plug it in and see if it works. Pretty easy fix. Find myself doing this more often than I should. But, hey, one more thing I got to make noise with and create a mess to clean up. Well, I think that's it for this one.